In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in the new QuickBooks Online layout. Let's start right from the QuickBooks dashboard. At the very top, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click that. This is your main starting point for creating any new transaction. From the menu that opens, choose Invoice. That tells QuickBooks you're ready to bill a customer for products or services you've provided. Now we're on the invoice screen, and the first thing to do is choose who you're invoicing. At the top, you'll see an option to add a customer. Open that drop-down and either select an existing customer from your list or create a new one if they're not there yet. Once you've selected a customer, take a moment to double-check their contact and billing information. Make sure the email address is correct because that's where the invoice will be sent, and verify the billing address if you include it on your invoices. Next, set your dates. Choose the invoice date, which is usually today's date or the date you're officially billing for the work, and then set the due date based on your payment terms. Clear dates help your customer know exactly when payment is expected. Now it's time to add what you're charging for. In the Line Items section, click into the Product or Service dropdown and pick the appropriate item. Each item can have its own description, rate, and tax settings, depending on how you've set it up in QuickBooks. Enter the quantity and the rate for each line. If you bill by the hour or use a different calculation method, select that instead and plug in the accurate details. Add as many products or services as you need until the invoice reflects everything you're charging for. Before sending, it's a good idea to customize and review the invoice. Look for the Manage option with the little gear icon. Click that and choose Design if you want to adjust the look and feel of your invoice or select a different style from the same menu. You can also add a note or memo, which is helpful for clarifying what the invoice is for or adding payment instructions. If you need to, attach supporting documents like a quote or timesheet. This is also where you can include any shipping fees or discounts. When you're happy with how everything looks, use the Preview option to see the invoice exactly as your customer will see it. If it all looks good, you're ready to send. To send the invoice, click either Send and Save or Send Invoice, depending on what you see on your screen. If you prefer to share it another way, choose Save and Share a Link, which gives you a direct link to the invoice. You can also choose Save and Send if you'd like to review and edit the email message before it goes out. After you send it, QuickBooks will confirm that the invoice has been emailed to your customer and you're done.